It is nothing short of a miracle that I'm able to function the way I do with the staff that I have.
At least my eyebrows are human, they're not Count Chocula eyebrows.
My name is Darren Kirkpatrick, and I'm responsible for the parts being here and being correct for the vehicle. If they're not, Mark's going to come looking for me. I can't even order the right parts. I can't do anything right. What am I good for? What am I here for?
I don't know.
I'm incompetent, okay? You hire the incompetent ones to make yourself look better.
Why'd you order the wrong part?
Because I'm stupid. I'm incompetent. I can't see and I have no brains.
Nobody likes Darren. My name is Wil Scott. I've been painting with Mark since 1997, since I graduated high school.
Point being, could you maybe perhaps next time just get a little bit less dirt in it? Hey, now here's another thought. Did you actually spray this in the booth, or did you go outside and spray it?
I did it at the beach. I'm the best painter in Oregon. I was taught a little bit by Mark, but most of it I just picked up on my own.
That stupid little thing you did for the camera the other day? You know what I'm talking about. Where you said I'm the greatest painter in the state of Oregon.
I am the greatest painter.
Well, what did I die? You're not even.
You don't paint. You don't do anything.
I do paint. I paint everything. You need to give more credit where credit's due.
I'm the only employee you have that's actually nice to you.
All the employees are nice to me.
Nobody's nice to you.
Everybody's nice to me.
Mark picks on everybody. He picks on me, he picks on Will. My name's Yocum. I'm in charge of brakes, suspension, and steering. I also do motors, transmissions, rear ends. You come around the corner, first thing you see is your nose.
Why don't I just point out?
Then the belly.
Oh.
I've known Mark since 1975, and he's been just as ornery since the day I met him.
You have bizarre shaped ears. You have no hair. You need to shave that off.
Mark, I can't let go. I can't let go of this.
My name's Alyssa Moorman. I work for my dad at Graveyard Carz, and I spend my day looking for lost cars and parts.
What about here? What's that?
That's a crush zone. Working with my dad is tough. I think he is a little harder on me than he is on other employees.
And it has to have a crush zone in 71. It was mandatory by the Department of Transportation, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, was it? Yes, it was. That's very good.
He expects me to know just as much as he does, but I don't.
My name is Josh Rose. I am engaged to Mark's daughter, Alyssa.
You're gonna be my son-in-law. You better show some respect.
And we're expecting our first child this fall. I'm in charge of component detailing at Graveyard Carz. I restore the seats, the seat frames, the hinges, steering linkage, the components.
You say yeah, but yesterday you said yeah too, and you didn't kind of do it. So I was just wondering if all y'all could stop what you're doing and get them done now for me.
Along with the other 100 pieces.
Along with the other pieces, right.
All the little details that nobody wants to do, that's my job.
I'm Suzanne Mormon, and I'm the office manager at Graveyard Carz. I'm also in charge of marketing and merchandising. Hey Mark, what do you think about this t-shirt?
Good God.
I don't mind working with my husband. I'm talking about the design of the shirt.
I like the design of the shirt. I like it.
Not how I look in it, okay?
You look great.
He can be kind of sarcastic, and he tries to be funny, and that can get him in trouble.
So I say good God, and you think I think you look terrible.
Well, did you say, oh, do you have a nice new shirt on? You say, no, good God.
Well, no, it just, I saw it around, and I saw this huge, what I mean is, I came around the corner, and I'm sorry.
Well, that wasn't very nice, especially in front of everybody like that.
I like the atmosphere. Everybody here has a positive attitude.
Well, you should wear something more than flip-flops. You're a painter.
You're fast.
You're a spastic colon.
Have you put on weight?
Oh, look at you. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Yeah, big stretch mark.
A spastic colon.
A spastic colon.
How's that?
It's a colon that doesn't do its job like it's supposed to.
Don't stand there like some kind of freak of nature.
We're all like family here.